My name is Mitra Jalilvand, and today I'm going to be presenting my forecast for visitation numbers to Lava Beds National Monument. So Lava Beds National Monument is a national park or monument located in California in Tallulah Lake. The graph shows that people visit this park based on the seasons, so it is peaked in the summer months. It's home to over 800 caves, Native American rock art sites, and historic battle sites, and the landscape is a desert wilderness type. So the forecasting method that I chose for this project is the exponential smoothing forecast. As you can see in the comparison table on the bottom right, the errors for ES, exponential smoothing, were overall the lowest of the three, meaning that although it's biased for the mean error, it is one of the lowest biases of the four. Additionally, it has produced forecasts for mean absolute error that were only about 14,000 visitors away from the actual number, which is a difference of 11.51%. And as you can see on the graphs, the line for exponential smoothing tends to stick pretty much in line with the actual numbers. Although linear regression has a straight line, the numbers in the table show that it actually performed the worst overall. So based on existing data that I was able to look at for this year, the numbers match up pretty closely. For actual data, on the actual data for the park this year in January was 3,000. For my forecast, it was 3,767. February was a little off by about 2,000 people, but then from March until June, the numbers are almost exact, maybe a little bit under what is on the actual data. I believe that there will be a little underestimation for the rest of the year because from the previous slide, you could see that the mean error and the mean absolute error was all positive, which means that it's being underestimated. So that's why I believe that it's being underestimated. The graph also shows in 2024 numbers declining, which I thought wasn't exactly right because the previous years show incline, although this could be due to the fact that the winter season is coming, so that might be that particular spot. But in all, the forecasts were most accurate. So to conclude, Lava Beds National Monument is a California park. Attendance ranges month to month, with the highest visitation numbers in summer and lowest in winter. Exponential smoothing was the forecasting method I used because of its low mean error and mean absolute error and mean absolute percentage error numbers, the least biased, if you will. And the overall forecasts for 2024, I believe, are mostly accurate due to the close proximity between my forecast and actual data, and because of the numbers I got for my forecasting errors. Thank you.